LiteFinance, the world of financial freedom.
Hello, it's Monday, May 29th, and it is the time to start the market forecast for this week, where we will discuss most important macro events from the calendar and analyze the market fundamentals, based on which, at the end, we will prepare a trading plan for the Euro-USD. Okay, as usual, we start with the calendar, and on Monday, major economies and financial centers have holidays. Then on Tuesday, we will receive only Swiss GDP. Next, on Wednesday, Canada will publish their GDP, and the US will share their beige book. On Thursday, we will get Eurozone inflation data, a couple of important manufacturing data, and crude oil inventories. Friday will bring us NFP data, which will be the only important event for the day. So, the broader analysis, let's start with the US, where in theory, the debt ceiling deal eliminates default risks and gives the Fed a free hand. After strong PCE data, the chances of a federal funds rate hike rose to 63% in June, strengthening the USD. However, government spending cuts would be another blow to an already cooling US economy, increasing recession risks and weakening the greenback. Therefore, Euro-USD quotes remained unchanged. The agreement between the Republicans and Democrats provides for preserving non-military budget spending for the 2024 fiscal year at the same level as in 2023. In 2025, its growth will be limited to 1%. If 12 appropriation bills are not passed, spending must be cut by 1%. So over the past few quarters, their growth made it possible to smooth out the effect of a cooling economy. Otherwise, the possibility of a US recession will increase. According to Bloomberg, it will hit with a 65% probability over the next 12 months. So there is another unpleasant news for the greenback. According to JP Morgan, after raising the debt ceiling, the Treasury will issue $1.1 trillion worth of the debt over the next 7 months. This is a relatively large amount for such a short period. These securities will have high rates, increasing the risks of capital outflows from bank deposits. So this will make the topic of the banking crisis relevant again and slow down the economy even more. So the Fed must weigh all the risks to decide whether to continue the monetary tightening cycle despite the acceleration of the PCE index from 4.2 to 4.4% year-on-year in April and 2.4% month-on-month. So an increase in the growth rate of consumer spending from 0.1% month-on-month in February to March to 0.8% in April raises the possibility of raising the federal funds rate to 5.5%. So this is another proof of the US economy's stability. Thus, Euro-USD bears gain a new advantage. According to Barclays, the active introduction of AI by US companies will contribute to the inflow of capital into the stock market and the USD strengthening. So the indicator developed by the bank indicates the growth of the AI/USD correlation. Thus, expectations of a further increase in the federal funds rate and capital inflows into the US stock market will support the greenback. On the other hand, fears of a banking crisis and recession will weaken the USD. Most likely, the Euro-USD medium-term consolidation scenario becomes the base one. But what will be its boundaries? Well, if the pair does not fall below the May low in the coming days, then the range will be from 107 to 1095. Otherwise, it will be from 1065 to 109. Thus, it would be reasonable to buy the euro on the decline against the US dollar and sell it on the rise. And so, that will be all from my side. Thank you for watching and goodbye.